Hey there! So, you've been thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, but you're either too busy or too camera shy to get in front of the lens. Well, have no fear, because Virbo's custom avatar is here to save the day by creating a digital twin of you. Virbo's avatars are highly praised for their lifelike and natural appearance. The customization service is now available online to users all around the world. You can create a digital twin of yourself that looks and sounds just like you, and does the camera work for you. And the best part? It's all done online and in stunning quality. Let me show you how it works. First, head over to Virbo's website and find the custom avatar section. You can also access it directly through the app or via the bio link. Virbo offers both avatar customization and voice cloning services, which you can purchase separately or as a package. Check out the pricing info for more details or get in touch with their team for a pre-sale consultation. Once you've made your purchase, it's time to start recording your footage. You can choose to use a green screen or a real-life scene depending on your preference. Just make sure to follow the detailed instructions and sample footage provided in the PDF file. And don't forget, you'll need to record a formal consent statement to approve the usage of your footage. Here is an example for you to follow. I, Audrey, hereby declare that I authorize Wondershare Virbo to use my footage to create the Wondershare Virbo custom avatar and use it in my Wondershare Virbo account. Once you've got all your footage ready, submit it to the Virbo team and wait for their feedback. They'll let you know if your footage is qualified for AI processing, and then it's just a matter of waiting 7 to 10 business days for your custom avatar to be created. You will soon be emailed once your custom avatar is complete. You can find it in Virbo's Avatars section by logging in with your Virbo account ID. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much more efficient and creative you can be with your new digital twin by your side. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.